video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Bees are known to be incredibly industrious insects, and it's a well-earned reputation. About 75% of the world's leading crops depend on animal pollination, making pollinators responsible for 1 out of every 3 mouthfuls of our food. Here in the heart of northern Alberta lies a community that celebrates these tiny powerhouses in a big way. Welcome to FLIR, the honey capital of Canada, and home to the world's largest honeybee, a remarkable statue crafted by a local welder, Richard Ether. I'm not sure I pronounced that right, so sorry Richard if I butchered your name. Anyway, in the 1970s and 80s, FLIR was buzzing with apiaries. The town had a significant presence of beehives and honey processors. Hovering 6 meters above FLIR's main street, the world's largest honeybee measures an impressive 2 meters in diameter and 7 meters in length. It was built in 1990 to celebrate the town's very first honey festival. 30 years later, the festival continues to draw thousands of visitors each year. In 2019, the Honey Festival was particularly special, marking FLIR's 100-year anniversary and drawing between 5,000 and 8,000 people. After a brief hiatus, the festival returned in 2022, helping locals and visitors alike shed their pandemic blues. Despite the downpour, the festival was a hit, proving that the spirit of FLIR's community is as strong as ever. Apiculture remains a major industry in FLIR. The region boasts over 48,000 colonies of honeybees, producing on average 3 million kilograms of honey each year. The world's largest honeybee isn't just a statue. It's a symbol of the industrious spirit of FLIR, a community that thrives on hard work, unity, and a deep appreciation for tiny creatures that play a massive role in our world. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy the video. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.